Hello everyone, this is Olya Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every day. I've showed you a review of the fashion magazines recently. Here is one of them. I promised to show you how to make such Chanel-style jackets with polyester batting. I've already showed you this picture. I love the design. I couldn't wait to make such jacket. First, I want us to have a close look at the picture once again. What is interesting about this jacket? It's pretty simple. It's absolutely straight. Such jacket shouldn't be close-fitting. The most important thing is for them to fit you perfectly on the hips. I had a close look at the picture and decided that I needed to measure just the hips. I'll be making a jacket for Olya. Her hips are 104 centimeters wide. That means that 1/4 of her hips measurement is 26 centimeters. I also measured the length of the garment, 70 centimeters, and the length of the sleeves, 68 centimeters. There will be seams here, so I measured the length of the sleeves starting from the center back. As I've already said, the length of the sleeves will be 68 centimeters. I measured it through the shoulders, starting from the center back. So here are the measurements I need for making a jacket. 1/4 of the hips measurement, the length of the item, and the length of the sleeves. Why do I need so little measurements? Have a look at the picture once again. The jacket is absolutely straight. Moreover, it's pretty baggy. It's not close-fitting. Olya wants her jacket to look exactly like this one. I'm going to show you how to make it. The jacket is very modern. Olya wants to look stylish. As I've already said, the jacket isn't close-fitting. I made a sketch of a jacket. Notice that it's absolutely straight. We just need to make sure that the jacket isn't too tight at the hips. The collar will be square. The sleeves will be straight and square as well. It's clearly seen here that the sleeves are square. Have a look at the sketch once again. It looks just like the jacket in the picture. Let's have a look at the Chanel style fabric I'm going to make a jacket of. Here it is. In the next video, I will also show you the polyester batting I'll be working with. The fabric is gorgeous. It's also pretty warm due to the fact that it has wool in its structure. It's a bit different from all the other Chanel fabrics we have in my fashion house. It will also look amazing with the dark shoes and bags. The facing and the pockets will be made of this piece of fabric. We tried different colors, and these look the best. Have a look at the photo once again. The belt pockets and the facing details will be made of the piece of the bright cotton fabric. I can move both fabrics aside. We need to make a pattern first. Have a close look at the sketch once again. I wanted to understand how a jacket should look like. Have a look at the photo as well. Just imagine how beautiful this jacket will look like. I'm glad that I'll show you the technique for doubling jackets with polyester batting. This is the first Chanel style jacket we are going to double this way. When I first saw this jacket, I knew that I had to make it. You can change the design however you want. Make close-fitting jackets, for example. You can make them on the basis of the tutorials on how to sew coat without pattern. You can make dolman sleeve jackets. They would also look amazing. The most important thing is that I'll show you the technique for doubling the jackets with polyester batting. I remind you that I'll be making a jacket for Olya. Here are the needed measurements: the length of the item, the length of the sleeve, and 1/4 of the hips measurement. I can move the magazine aside. Next time, I will start drawing a pattern for this jacket. That's all for today. My name is Olya. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.